There is always an important reason which led you to Motic. 2021, you will find even more. Innovative scientific instruments for highly demanding research and inspection tasks. Tailored for the broad universe of applications. Discover the new modular expert solutions, the PA53 series. Expand insights with 25mm field of view. Excellent optical performance, a 6-fold fluorescent cube turret. Individually controlled LED illumination channels for a harmonized, multi-stained image. Additional intelligent and convenient functions empower the users from a simple measurement to a complicated analysis. What about the solutions for quality control purposes? Your ultimate metallurgical optical solution for a large array of inspection tasks, PA53 MET. Optical performance is no issue. Trust your eyes. Bright field, dark field and DIC with a single prism. Automatic EDF mode with a motorized Z-stage with image stitching capabilities for fast and efficient work. An optional 3D profiler tool, Motic analysis software for quantitative measurements or simple topographic images. Groundbreaking, the new SM7 series. Galilean optical zoom system. 7:1 zoom mechanism for stepless magnification. 10 click stop help in case of precise reproduction. Measurements are facilitated, errors are minimized. Streamline your processes now for reliable results with Motic's new solutions.